At Bclear, we manufacture packaged wastewater treatment plants that are perfect for any project to be carried out. They are the most efficient on the market, capable of treating wastewater and converting it into water with superior quality or similar to the water provided by the public service. Some benefits of our packaged wastewater treatment plants. They are compact, portable, and modular. Relocate your plant or increase its capacity as needed at any time. High water quality, greater than 95% efficiency in contaminant removal. Odor-free, 100% aerobic process. Simple and low-cost operation, intelligent system to identify the correct operation of the wastewater treatment plant. Very low waste sludge production. Receive, install, and start operating your package plant in just one day. Bclear package plants have an all-inclusive system and do not require any extra expenses for construction of additional parts to the wastewater treatment plant, since they all include screening and grid chamber with self-cleaning of organic matter, operations and control booths, technical support service for initial launch, and 1-year service warranty and technical assistance included. We guarantee to be the best option for any of your projects. For more information, visit our website at www.bclear-water.com.